Book of Heaven, Volume 11, April 3rd, 1915. The divine will is like heaven and sun for the soul. My always lovable Jesus continues to come every now and then, but without changing his appearance of threats and scourges. And if sometimes he delays, he comes with an appearance that moves one to pity, tired, exhausted. He draws me to himself and transforms me into himself. Then he enters into me and transforms himself into me. He wants me to kiss his wounds, one by one, to adore them and to repair. Then, after he has made me soothe his most holy humanity, he tells me,
my daughter, it is necessary that I come to you every now and then to take rest, to be soothed, to pour myself out. Otherwise, I would cause the world to be devoured by fire.
And without giving me time to tell him anything, he escapes. Now this morning, as I was in my usual state, and since he was delaying, I thought to myself, what would have happened to me during these privations of my sweet Jesus if it wasn't for the holy divine will? Who would have given me life, strength, help? Oh, holy divine will, in you I enclose myself. In you I abandon myself. In you I rest. Ah, all run away from me, even suffering, and even that very Jesus who once seemed unable to be without me. You alone do not escape from me, O holy will. Oh, please, I beg you, when you see that my weak strengths can take no more, reveal to me my sweet Jesus, whom you hide from me and whom you possess. O holy volition, I adore you, I kiss you, I thank you, but don't be cruel with me. While I was thinking and praying like this, I felt myself being invested by a most pure light, and the holy volition, revealing Jesus to me, told me,
my daughter, the soul without my will would have been like the earth, had it had neither heavens, nor stars, nor sun, nor moon. The earth in itself is nothing other than precipices, steep heights, waters, and darkness. If the earth did not have a heaven above, which shows man the way, so that he may recognize the different dangers which the earth contains, man would be bound now to fall, now to drown, etc. But there is a heaven above, and especially a sun, which says to man in a mute language, see, I have no eyes, nor hands, nor feet, yet I am the light of your eyes, the action of your hand, and the step of your foot. And when I have to illuminate other regions, I leave you the sparkling of the stars and the moonlight to continue my office. Now just as I gave to man a heaven for the good of his nature, to his soul too, which is more noble, I gave the heaven of my will, because the soul too contains precipices, heights, and crags, which are passions, virtues, tendencies, and other things. Now, if the soul moves out from under the heaven of my will, she will do nothing but fall from sin to sin. Passions will drown her, and the heights of virtues will turn into abysses. Therefore, just as everything would be disordered and infertile on the earth without a heaven, the same for the soul without my will.